This pencil set is pretty cool. I've been using this for a little while and I actually love this one. It's nothing extra, only what you'd use. This is, I would say, an engineer's and a carpenter's best friend. You've got the black, yellow, and red pencils. They're 2.8 millimeter, which means you're not gonna break off lead all the time. Some of the smaller leads, you can't make them dark enough. You try to make them dark and then the lead snaps. So these being 2.8 millimeter, they're not gonna break. The other thing is it comes with the markers. And everything has the red, yellow, and black, which is what I use the most. There is blue, green, and white. I could see where I might use those on some things, especially the green. In my experience in engineering, we always did red, yellow, and green. Red meant it was out, yellow was highlighted that it's good, and green was added. So we always kind of use those colors, so I love that they're in this set. Black pencil, of course, for drafting is great, and the sharpeners on the end of the pencils, the cover is awesome. You can keep a sharp point, because with these thick graphites, you'd really need to keep that tip sharp. The nib is long and skinny, so you can transfer holes, you can highlight, go outlines, and the largeness of the pencil doesn't affect it. The markers are great. They write awesome. Pencils are great. Maybe the only downfall I would see is sometimes where it's thin, it's hard to hold on to. It's a little slippery, but there is a little rib there to hold on to. That would be maybe the only downfall. It gets very narrow when you're writing. Comes with the eraser, pencils, the markers, a lot of extra lead, and it's just a basic set. Nothing extra that you're not going to use. This is a very useful set. Great Christmas gift for an engineer, contractor, drafter. Pretty much anybody in the technical area could use this. By Stage Geek from Amazon.